How safe is Arkansas for travel? Arkansas is one of the most diverse states in the United States when it comes to natural beauty. The state sits in the southeastern corner of the Ozarks, providing rolling hills, sparkling lakes, and dense forests. Over 2% of the state is covered in water, making it a great destination for those that love to get out on a boat or enjoy water sports. Overall risk: medium. Most of the state is extremely safe for travelers. The only reason I give Arkansas a rating of medium is because of the relatively high crime rate the state has nationally. Most of this crime is not something tourists have to worry about. Travel insurance. Just like anywhere else, we recommend getting travel insurance when traveling to Arkansas. Better be safe than sorry. Word of caution: beware of pickpockets in crowded areas and tourist landmarks, and do not let your guard down just because you are feeling safe.